no, that takes out.
Don't pull. Wait. He's going for my gun. He's got my gun.
McDonald's staff spots a man who perfectly matches the photo of an FBI most wanted fugitive. So they call the police. What happens next inside this McDonald's will leave you speechless.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hi, we got called here to talk to you. Huh? Some people were worried about you. They wanted to make sure you were okay.
That I'm okay? I'm a paying customer.
Yeah. Yeah, people are just called worried about you.
So what, sitting down?
No, I think they saw all your stuff and were worried, making sure you're okay.
Officers arrive calmly to check on him. But this ordinary welfare check is about to turn extremely dangerous.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Just checking some stuff out.
In front of me?
Yeah. Standing right here checking some stuff out.
You're kind of disturbing my peace.
Okay. Is your name Alejandro?
Are you trying to ask me if I'm wanted? Are you confirming that I'm wanted?
I guess so.
So this is what, your public service? When I told you that I'm a paying customer?
Yeah. Are you Alejandro?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, well that's what we're here to figure out.
So this screams that I'm wanted?
No, I guess it wouldn't be the homelessness or that you have a lot of gear.
So you're implying... So what are you implying? Like really? Like is it the fact that I'm homeless?
That your description matches someone that's
you want
wanted.
Me to leave town?
No, not that I want you to leave town.
Well, I already said, man, you're already disturbing my peace.
Okay.
So get out of here.
Okay, you got any ID on you?
For?
So I can see who you are. And if you're not the person we're looking for, then we'll get out of here.
He immediately gets defensive, refuses to give his name or ID, and starts arguing with the officers.
Okay, what law am I breaking?
Disturbing me and disturbing the public.
Okay, well if we get called here because someone believes that you're a wanted person, and we're coming here to confirm that, and you match the picture of a wanted person.
Okay, then show me the picture. So it's under what? So it's your property?
Huh?
It's considered your property?
What is?
Because I was going to point out the facial features. Clearly, that's not me.
Okay, that you have a beard?
Show me the picture again. So
I'm not going to show it to you again.
Because clearly, that's an adolescent. That's not an adult. You can tell by the facial features.
Okay, what's your birthday then?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Well, how am I supposed to confirm this isn't you?
Yeah.
I already told you. No. Go ahead and call somebody else because I'm not going to confirm my identity with any of
Okay, so someone else shows up and then you'll confirm your identity.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, that way I can get your name and your name for harassment.
My name is Peyton Overleen.
Okay, then give me your card.
I don't have a card on me.
So, I'm professional. You next? Professional? You have a card?
My card's in my office.
Okay, then you can go ahead and get that.
Here you go. Here's another person. Don't reach for nothing. Right now, you're not going to reach for anything. We're reaching for stuff.
I'm trying to put everything away so I can go outside.
No, you're not going outside right now.
We even have a captain here.
All right. There you go. So, harassment, all right, that's one. They're telling me that I'm wanted. And they're trying to confirm some wanted identity. Yep. So I asked them for the picture, and he doesn't want to give it to me.
I showed it to you. I'm not giving you the piece of paper.
He has it on him right now.
Once we determine who you are, then it's fine. So
We didn't say you were
Okay,
one. We
then
just said
you
you had
push.
matched the description.
You go that way, and I'll talk to him.
no, they're gonna stay with you.
They're gonna stay with
Yep.
you. Okay, then at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and leave and get out of this town because I'm being harassed.
We're gonna identify.
The tension keeps rising, but nobody sees what's coming next.
Your card and your card now.
Give us your
Because I'm
ID.
being harassed.
Give us your ID.
Just give us your ID, and then we can leave you.
Then we can call this quid pro quo, and we exchange IDs. Give me your cards.
Pull your ID out.
Show me your IDs first, and then I'll give you my ID.
Okay. My ID is
You
for you.
harassed me. I was not walking down the street. I was here as a paid customer.
Okay.
So therefore, I can stand this higher ground.
Not necessarily. Okay.
How so?
Because I have reason to believe you're a wanted
because I'm
suspect.
homeless.
Show them your ID, or we'll take you over to the jail and they can ID you there when they run your.
I don't have an ID.
Then I guess we don't have a lot of options, do we?
So you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms?
I'm saying that we're gonna identify.
No, you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms.
We're gonna identify you.
So my baggage details my status.
Do you have your ID with you or not?
I already told you no.
What's your name?
So arrested for what? Having no ID?
What's your name?
We are gonna detain you until
For?
we can determine who you are. You can give them your name and stuff.
No, I'm alright. Go ahead and detain me.
Or not that big time.
Don't pull. Wait.
In a split second, he reaches straight for the officer's gun.
He's got your gun. He's reaching for it. He's reaching for your gun. You let go. You let go. Shit. Put your arms behind your back or you're gonna get it again.
Officers react instantly with a taser. A chaotic struggle on the floor follows as they try to get him under control.
Is he giving it to you?
I got it.
I got cuffs.
Good.
Search him.
We're all good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Search me.
All on your side. Stay just like that. And stuff if you want.
Set him up.
Even after being tased and handcuffed, he's still talking nonstop.
Quit! Knock it off! Quit!
Look at me, I want to remember a face.
Okay, remembered it.
I will smite you.
Oh, it's super glued.
No, it's sealed by my almighty father himself. Look at it, what does it say?
Can't read it.
Guess you can't read, huh?
No. That's why you became a cop. You got me.
Trampling on other people's rights.
He's got something down here too, man.
I'm gonna search the rest of his ankles.
Yeah, he's still got something in here.
Here, these can come down.
I think it's under this. It's something, it might be just another hat, maybe. It's like a hat.
Another hat.
Yeah, it's the bill of a hat.
You gotta check his other leg.
Another hat. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Got a raspberry.
Yeah, just a little mark.
My name's Seth. I just gotta check out the barbs in your chest, okay? What's your name?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, sounds good.
Peyton, are you good
No, I
taking
can
him?
take him.
Or you want me to pull up a squad?
If you wanna pull yours up, that's fine.
Yo, get away from me.
Not gonna happen, dude. I don't listen to you.
Yeah, no don't listen to me.
Right.
You want us to pull them up for you before you go? Okay. I'm gonna have to get close and personal with you. 1, 2, 3. I'm bleeding.
Try to bend your knee.
Bend this one in.
They finally get him into the patrol car. But the biggest twist? He wasn't actually the FBI fugitive everyone thought he was. Or was he?
What are you doing?
Alejandro?
No, I'm not Alejandro, man.
Alright, well, what's your name?
Adan, mistaken identity, and I told the guy, hold on, he didn't even put my pants on. Me and shit with integrity.
Hold on. Can I get these off so you don't trip?
You can take them off, yeah.
Watch your step. I'll help you up here. Watch your head.
Hold on, watch out, I have a broken clavicle.
Clavicle, what side?
Oh, you're right side, that's why I'm having a hard time. I told the guy.
Finally, he is under arrested. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the episode.